Managing a growing photo collection is crucial. Google Photos offers cloud storage and advanced features, but sometimes you need offline access or prefer your device's gallery. This guide explores 5 methods to copy Google Photos to your device's gallery, plus additional tips. Way 2. How to transfer Google Photos to Android Gallery on PC. Visit Google Photos in a browser and sign in. Select Photos and download them. Connect your Android phone via USB and choose File Transfer. Copy the photos to your phone storage. Way 1. How to move photos from Google Photos to Gallery on Android. Open Google Chrome on your Android and sign in. Launch the Google Photos app. Go to Photos and select Images. Tap the 3 dots in the top right. Choose Save to Device. Way 3. How to transfer photos from Google Photos to Gallery on iPhone. Install Google Photos from the App Store. Open and log in. Find Photos, tap 3 dots, and choose Save to Device. For multiple photos, select and tap Download. Way 4. How to move Google Photos to Gallery via Google Drive. Open Google Drive. Go to the Photo folder. Long press the first image. Tap 3 dots. Then, send a copy. Select Save to Device. Choose a save location on your phone. Way 5. How to download photos from Google Photos to Gallery via Google Takeout. Sign into Google Takeout. Deselect all. Choose Google Photos Albums. Confirm and proceed. Set download frequency. Wait for email notification. Download from display exports. How to secure Android Gallery without Google Photos for the seamless move. Consider Mobican Backup Manager for Android, a stable tool offering reliable backup and restore. Designed for Android, it ensures compatibility, data integrity, and privacy protection.